Okay guys, welcome to week 12. So this is just going to be a quick video. So this week we have to create an elevator page, a video. So the tip is that you can just draft your elevator page, then you can now make it as a video, read the script, so it will be easier to make the video. At least practice it, then you can record it just under 1 minute you're done. Just it's nothing too long like that. So if you need a sample of my elevator page, I can actually send it to you. So I've done mine and I've put it in a video format. I made a video for it, so this is it. So I'm going to make it accessible for anyone with a link. So anyone with a link updating, so that is it. So I can put it in my, so let me copy the link copy, so I can put it in my worksheet for week 12. So you just create the script, then you can record the video, so it will be easier for you. So there's nothing much about it. And your website, don't forget to update your website. So this week you have to make your portfolio. So we are told to use data science portfolio.io. So you can create your portfolio website. I can show you what my portfolio website look like. So I will use the Google site for the website. Oh, this is where I'm going. I'm supposed to go to my thing first. I need to go to my week 12. No way. What did I do? Where's my worksheet? Oh, I did not move it. Where did I put my week 12 worksheet? Actually, I did it yesterday, yeah. How come I can't find it? Because I know I did it yesterday. Sorry. Let me check. This is it. So where was it saved? Because I know I did. Let me see. Where was it saved? Show file location. Oh, I've not moved it. Okay, let me move it now. Move drive. DA data analytics ALX 12. Move. Good. So I can go now. So this is my week 12. So this is what we had to do. So there are things. Okay, this is my portfolio. Let me show you my portfolio. My portfolio is not that full. I'm still updating it. I'm still updating. Anytime I work on a project, I update. So this is my portfolio. It's very short. Very short. This is it. I only have 2 projects on it, yeah. Excel and Power BI, Tableau. Experience. That's the only thing I have here. But I'm still working on some projects that I can put it on. So that is it. Now I need to put elevator page. Edit. So I can put my link. Paste. Yeah. replace. Good. This would be no. Ouch. What did I do? Why is there this thing? Sorry, I'm trying to do something here. Yeah, good. Okay, so that is it. This is my elevator page. Yeah. Good. So this is my elevator page. You are the owner. Notice this is the last. Do you want to listen to my elevator page? Yeah, so that is it. Then you put your skills, yada yada. So that is it. Then we can go and rename milestone. At the end of the video, I'll play my page for you guys. Milestone, my name, my surname. Dates 3rd of April 2025. So rename. So now I have to like download. I have to download from the drive. So download. Save to file. So then we'll go to the web. So I'm so happy. This is the end of professional foundation. So come in 2 weeks or 3 weeks. I don't know when we'll be starting our proper data analytics. I can't wait to start the proper course. I can't wait to start the proper. I can't wait, guys. So I know that it will be very, very interesting. So I can't wait to carry you guys along. So by then we'll be able to give it back to back. You understand? Back to back tutorial and more explanatory videos and all of that. So you guys just let's go together on this journey here. So that is it. Voila. My test, I only missed one. It was so painful, yeah. Oh, it's good, thank God. I'm back to 90%, which is actually good. The pass mark is 70%, so thank God. So let me play my elevator pitch. Yeah. Hi, I am Adedoyin Osho, a data analyst with a passion for transforming raw data into actionable insights with a strong background in data query, data cleaning, and data visualization. I have the skills to unlock patterns and trends hidden within complex data. My expertise lies in using data-driven decision making to optimize processes, drive business growth, and enhance customers' experience where it is identifying cost-saving opportunities, improving marketing strategies, or predicting future trends. I thrive on turning data into meaningful solutions. I am excited to collaborate with the team to enhance the power of data and help your organization make smarter and more informed decisions. So that is it. So thank you guys for watching. See you when data analytics main course starts. Bye.